Hello, everyone, and it's time for our high tea. Today, who's joining us for high tea? Vikas Sethi. Yes, you have seen him in movies and TV and a lot of reality shows and a lot more places. Today, you're gonna see him live with us here, and we have a lot of questions to ask him. Hello, Yogesh. Hello, Abhin. Hello, Mitali. Hello, Sartha. Hello, Tofik. Hello, Abhin. So, I want to ask him about his debut in Oops and also about his Balaji soaps that he's done, then also shows like Sasural Simar Ka, Uttaran, Sanskar, and a lot more. Have you all kept your questions ready? What do you all want to ask him? I'm just sending him a request and he should be here soon. Hello, Nishant. Hello, Divij. Hello, Ankit. Kumud Sachdeva, I am making a lot of paintings. I have not given up painting. Instead, today I'm also going to post something that I've been making. And yeah, I haven't stopped making paintings. That's something I cannot stop. I love paintings. Hi, Rohit. Nice voice. Thank you, Tofik. That's very sweet of you. Yogesh, I am good. How are you? Rohit, hopefully you will see me in movies and web series very soon. Hopefully post quarantine. Fingers crossed. Hi Syed, Asif. Hello Aman. I will upload paintings very soon. In fact, for you especially, I'll upload a painting tonight itself. Sonawane, hello. Hello Jayant. And let's see where is Vikas. Okay, we're still waiting for him to connect, so he should just join us soon. So yeah, in the meantime, if y'all wanna ask me anything, I'm all yours because once he joins in, then we can only question him. So a lot of people DM'd me asking that how am I spending my quarantine? Well, I am spending my quarantine chatting with y'all, getting people to talk to y'all, painting, and Vikas is yours. Let's send him a request. Vikas Sethi. Good evening, darling. To get connected, connecting. And hello, Hassan. Hello.
I
Hi. I had heard you're driving, and that's why we postponed the chat.
I know because we got permission to leave, and my mom-in-law is staying alone in Nasik, so we're gonna meet her after 3 months.
Oh, okay. So, how does it feel traveling finally out of Bombay? Like,
Finally, it's for a kid, I guess.
okay, viewers, because he's traveling, our net will be going on and off. So please cooperate with us because we were really looking forward for this live. But if there is any issues, we're gonna come back. But let's enjoy this live for now. So, how does it feel being on the roads?
It's amazing. I just told you, joyride for a kid. You got a first car and you're a
So, are you
But
already? I can't hear you. I think because of
can
the
you,
road travels.
yeah, man. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's better now.
So how's your quarantine life?
I am in my cocoon enjoying live sessions from here while people are traveling outside. So yeah, making the most of it. And right now, seeing you drive around, I'm feeling all the more like shit. मैं तो घर पे हूँ.
Yeah, but it was like little emergency, so we had to leave. Yeah, because she stays alone, and go and ask her if she's okay and everything. And it's very tough for each and everyone, because people who've gone uh, their home by walking, by running, or by rickshaw or by bicycle. It's been 3 months for each and everyone. I guess, like you've you value your family,
Yeah, absolutely.
like you've learned.
Quarantine has made us
Yeah,
value our
and
friends and family a lot more.
yet, and it showed us that we can leave few things and still can have a better time.
So, what are the things that you have missed while quarantine?
Up, obviously, definitely work because I just started my own production house a month back, and we were all ready to go on floor. 10-episode web series, and the lockdown happened. I bought camera and everything, own equipment, but it just got postponed. Just eager to get down, but there are so many restrictions now. You have to wear PPE kit to shoot for the entire unit. You have to buy for it, so it's getting a little tough. But you have to live with it, and you have to start living with it, I guess.
Yeah, that's become a new normalcy right now. That where these things are just part and parcel of life.
Just precaution, like I think we got a habit of now putting sand, even at home also.
Yeah, suddenly
Like
it's
even
like
it's become a habit. I think it's good. See, you cannot stop life. It has to move on, and people have to work. You need to go. See, now it's going to be less contact and lots of namastes, I guess.
yeah, that is there. Finally, we are back to our Indian pratha. Namaste.
Yes.
So a lot of your fans, Vishal said, Dingra and Sujala and Tawfiq and many more are saying, please ride safe, be safe, and
Thank you
take
so
care
much,
while
guys.
you're on the road.
I've parked my car and I'm chatting to you. Don't worry, guys. I'm not driving at all.
Yeah, because that was something that, it went on going, so I had to cut you. I'm like, I have to tell the wishes of your fans who were very worried with you talking and driving.
Yeah, you also there.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
How does it feel being on the road? He
Okay.
mentioned how he feels. What about you?
I feel so good, yeah. After long, I'm meeting my mom, so I'm really excited. It's 90 days being alone.
Yeah, must be tough for her at this
Yeah,
point.
yes.
But we are going now. Let's see. She's eagerly waiting. She's called 6 times. "Kahan pahunche, kahan pahunche, kahan pahunche, kahan pahunche?" And my mother is also stuck in Punjab. Right now, also we are just planning that we'll go by air because she's 75. I don't know whether she's gonna get the permission to come on board or not. So we're trying to find out. So this is the life: getting your own people come from your country.
Yeah, at least Nasik is by road, so you can manage it like.
Yeah, it's 3 hours. It's easier. We were planning to go by road also, but it's too far. Hotels are not open, so you cannot stay anywhere, and you're scared of going to the hotel. It's really scary. So I think the only chance I can get her by air only, no, nothing else.
That's true. So we are gonna get back to a few questions that I had already got on the DM while before we
Yeah,
started our live session. And everyone wants to know you did your debut in Oops, which was way back,
yeah,
a movie way ahead of time. And they
yeah.
want to know your journey. How did you go about? How did you think of saying a yes? Because it was quite challenging to say a yes to such a movie for your debut.
See, as you know, the me and Deepak used to work out in the same gym, and one day he came. He said, "There's a script. I want you to come and have a reading session about it." I said, "Okay." And when I heard the script was very bold. I was a little scared. I said, "Kaun accept karega?" And but it turned out well. We thought it won't do well in North, but it did well in North, not in
Oh,
Bombay. Seriously, we were
that's
all
quite
planning that.
surprising.
Very surprising for us, and we were shocked. And we had planned, this is a metro movie. People are going to like it in North. They are, little orthodox. Ye nahi hoga. But in Delhi, we could not enter the auditorium. There was so much of crowd. We could not go inside. Can you imagine? We could not attend our own premiere.
I'm like quite surprised because Bombay being like Bombay back then, and movie must have done really well in Bombay. And Chandigarh, Ludhiana, Delhi, and all it must have been like, "Arey, itna bold subject, kaise?" Like back then, obviously.
Yeah, but we were shocked and surprised, but it did well. And the subject was actually way ahead of time.
Yeah, Like today, we
Like,
have a lot of stuff on this, like the new series Toy Boy and all of this. It's like every second series has something like this. But back then, it was like, and for Indian cinema,
I
Bollywood, it was like,
yes, it was very ahead of time. Or I think before lockdown, I met Deepak and I told him, I said, why don't you make Oops too? He said, you guys are old now. I said, so what? I said, I said, एक film आई थी. Or I think it was an English movie. Forgot the name. Those unemployed guys, they become strippers and everything. I think I forgot the name.
okay, I haven't seen it, so I can't
Kid
recollect
at
like
that
what
time.
name I.
But
हाँ तो
very young
अभी
at
तो
that
मैंने
time.
वो क्लासिक भी नहीं देखी है कि मैं बोलूँ oh there was a classic movie like this but I haven't watched it so I can't come up with the name.
No, it was a classic. I'm not getting the name. It was like first British movie to break some few records or something. Full Monty, no, Full Monty. I think I know. Full Monty, I guess.
I shall search on Google and then maybe put it up for the viewers that this was the movie.
It's an amazing film. Amazing film.
Cool. So
Five
I shall
unemployed,
search and then
five unemployed friends. How they go and make their own strip club. It's amazing. Their journey was beautiful.
okay, now I'm quite keen to see it. So either you Google it later once you reach Nasik, or I'll Google it and check with you is this the one that you're saying, and we shall tell our viewers to watch it. Because right now
I'll let you know
everyone is
definitely.
binge watching. So what's
Yeah.
your favorite show that you have binge watching currently?
Binge watched now. I
Now
actually
in
didn't watch any
quarantine.
show. I watched few movies, but I didn't like any of the shows. Play नहीं किया, पता नहीं क्यों, but I watched a few movies and everything. I read few books. I read book about Rishi Kapoor ji. Then Bill Gates की है.
खुल्लम खुल्ला
Then
प्यार करेंगे.
yep.
That's one of my favorite biographies by Meena Iyer and Rishi Kapoor. I had read it long back, 2 years back when it had released, and then I just reread it. It's an
You know,
amazing biography.
because he passed away. Irfan Khan ji passed away. See, this 2020 has been so bad. Like a few days back, Bajit passed away.
Yeah, that was quite a shocker.
Very shocker
It's
because when we were struggling, even he was new. We all used to sit in the night, have a few drinks, and he used to play the guitar. And when I got the news, I cried that night. One of my dear
so
friend also, Sachin, passed away.
I would always call him Wag for Wajid Bhai. That was always something I would address him like that. And he was like, हर बार तू ऐसे ही बुलाती है ऐसा, but क्या करूं? Wag and Wajid Bhai just go hand in hand. So I would
Such a
always tell him that.
such a cheerful person, man.
Yeah, that's true. Which is he's dedicated, like he's made too many your favorite song of his.
Shweta, I couldn't hear the question.
I said Wajid Bhai has done a lot of songs for Bollywood and he's gonna be with us through his songs. But which is your favorite song of Wajid Bhai?
Hood hood the bung the bung hood the bung all time.
Yeah, he was superb with all Salman Bhai's songs, be it Soni Re Nakhre, be it Ud Ud Dabang. So tell me, while you went out, what was the most embarrassing moments that happened when your fans would come up to you?
With my fan.
Like, was there any embarrassing fan moment after Oops that happened?
I think we used to go like partying in Athena in WJ Marriott. Girls would come and say, "Come on, remove your shirt." you know,
So I have to tell you, and y'all had come to Fire and Ice, and it was, I think, the first or the second time I had gone clubbing. And I had this memory of where, y'all were two there and, all over the place. And I'm like, what's just happening here? Because that was the second time I had gone to a club. And that's how I came to know about Oops. I was
okay.
like, अच्छा, ऐसे
I,
भी होता है?
बिल्कुल होता है यार। और आई थिंक हम लोग ऐसी ऐसी जगह गए हैं, मतलब फिर लोग कमेंट करते हैं, हम लोग निकलते थे तो कमेंट करते थे, ए पेट निकल, and people, it's like funny also. You get like, it's my job, I did it on the screen, but I am not that. So you have to tell. See, fans don't understand, they don't, they will tell you, and they think we are the property, which is okay.
Yeah.
Of course, they love us, definitely. But when they get too personal, it gets it's little uneasy for anyone, I guess. When I
Yeah, that's
shows
true.
kind of and everything, so we are popular with our character's name. So straight away they'll start calling you with the name. Hey, Swayam, hey, kya kar rahe? Hey, idhar hai. When we are shooting on the road, they'll say, hey, Kashish kaisi hai? Like, how do I know, man?
Yeah, because suddenly you'll reach every house, so they think you're a part of their house and they address you just as if they know you completely, your character completely. So they completely
Yeah,
forget who
because
you all are generally.
they watch every day. It's daily. And they know the time, they know the scene आपने क्या किया है, आपकी इसके साथ केमिस्ट्री कैसी है, उस कैरेक्टर के साथ कैसी है. Then start question out, अरे वो आपके साथ इतना लड़ता है, आप दोनों सेट पे बात करते हो कि नहीं? I said, वो सिर्फ शो में है, because I said, but he's my friend. अच्छा, आप लोग फ्रेंड्स भी बन जाते हो मार खाने के बाद? अरे मैंने बोला यार, so you have to make them understand, but it's a little cute for them, a little, they don't know, but it's part of your life, you have to. We are answerable.
Part and parcel of being famous. Okay.
And it's
You know.
and it's raining in Nasik.
Oh, you've reached Nasik already. So a lot of my
I'm
family is in Nasik.
about 20 kilometers away.
So a lot of my family is in Nasik, and like my nanny's from Nasik, so all
Yeah.
her maternal side has been there, and a lot of my weekends of my childhood have gone in Nasik. Panchvati करके एक जगह है, Hotel Basera,
Panchvati, from
Panchvati,
Panchvati.
yeah.
Wow.
And I
So
love
yeah,
it.
my entire family stays in Panchvati.
I know Nasik like back of my hand. I know all the food, कहाँ kya kya milta hai. And I love this city. It's so clean. And in rainy season, it's so beautiful.
Oh yes, it is. And when we used to go as a kid, वहाँ पे पहले तो naturals वगैरह भी नहीं था. And way later naturals came. तो I was like, अरे वाह, गांव में naturals खुल गया. Because when you go from Bombay, it used to be like Volvo
But
की
it's not a
बस लेके
gaon
हम
anymore.
जाते थे. Not anymore.
But it's
Now,
very clean. But it's very clean. It's very clean. I love the food. I love the misal pav in Matnabad.
oh, the misal pav. अब I'm getting tempted. I think quarantine के बाद मुझे misal pav खानी है. But nothing like Nasik का misal pav. You don't get that in Bombay. So that is there. Okay, back to your questions. Your birthday just went during this quarantine time. तो क्या किया आपने 12th मई को?
किसमें?
आपका बर्थडे अभी क्वारंटीन फेज में आया था, तो आपने क्या
अभी
किया? हाउ
अभी
बर्थडे?
गया, but only me, my wife and my brother. हमने केक कट किया और खाना वाना खाया. बाकी तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते. काफी लोगों के जन्मदिन आई थिंक क्वारंटीन में, आई थिंक इस साल तो भूल ही जाओ, क्योंकि ये साल ही बहुत खराब है. कुछ भी उठा लो, एनीथिंग विच इज लाइक यू गेटिंग बैड न्यूज फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरी कॉर्नर. एंड और अब बस ये है कि जल्दी खत्म हो जाए यार. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कल 31 दिसंबर हो जानी चाहिए.
I'm thinking the same because when the new year started, I was like, ये 2020. और अब ऐसे लग रहा है कि वो वाइप डाउन चैलेंज नहीं हो रहा है कि ऐसे वाइप करें and we are like in 21 and we're like all well.
Seriously, it's getting very difficult each and every day. Then the cyclone happened.
Yeah, there is like everywhere there is something or the other happening. Mother Earth is just giving us
अब तो
bad
तुम
tea.
मतलब मैं उठूं, कोई न्यूज मिल ही जाती है कि अरे यार ये हो गया.
That is there. It's
अब तो
suddenly like
मैं
your
न्यूज एक बार ये देखता हूँ कि यार आज तो कुछ बुरा नहीं हुआ है. Rather than getting corona information, which is like all India radio now, it's on. It's टीवी. I think मैंने एक हफ्ते से टीवी बंद कर दिया देखना.
I think that's the best thing to do because there's so much information out there that it becomes very difficult to uplift your spirits after seeing and reading
Yeah,
all
it's
of it.
scary. हर
So,
हर 5 मिनट में अपडेट होता है. देन अच्छा बोलो यार इधर यहाँ हो गया, कल वहां पे इतने केसेस हो गए, यहाँ पे इतने केसेस हो गए. Then you get scared यार.
yeah, that's true. Like it's अभी ना खुद को mentally भी you have to keep yourself sane because there's so much going on that you can really go crazy just thinking and reading about the stuff that is going on around you.
Yeah man.
So,
Mentally
okay,
आपको
I'm going to ask you some questions and
हम्म,
whatever comes to your mind first. So, I'm going to tell you. Did you
Shweta,
hear me?
either my network is not okay, either I think or your network is not okay because
Yours,
it's getting
yours. You're on the road. You're on the road.
okay.
My
But
network
I'm
is good. I'm on Wi-Fi.
ugly, so यहाँ पे problem है.
Okay, I'll repeat my question. I'll
Hmm.
take names of your some shows and movies, and whatever
Hmm.
the first thing that comes to your mind regarding that.
Tell me.
Okay? So, oops.
Oops, I did it again.
Okay. Okay. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
It was all khushi khushi, no gum at all.
Okay. Kasauti Zindagi Ki.
I think I reached the kasauti of popularity with that.
Kahin to hoga.
कहीं तो होगा.
I'm randomly taking names now to distract you.
Okay. कहीं तो होगा. Pinnacle of success.
Okay. Dar.
Which one?
Dar. What's the first thing
Dar.
that comes to your mind when I say dar?
Dar. Uh, Mountain Dew.
Okay. Um, what do you enjoy more, movies or working for television?
Uh, Television always because you get आपका character आपको खुद करने को मिलता है. Like you can discuss it with writer and कि यार कुछ ऐसे सीन लेके I feel like performing like that. तो वो आपको by choice होता है. आपका character develop होता है. आप धीरे धीरे सीखते हो. एक character को develop करने में कितना time जाता है एक actor के लिए उसको समझने के लिए. फिर you start living with that. तो television में ज्यादा मजा आता है.
What's the most courageous thing you've done as an actor?
As an actor, I think I did an ad for Nirma and I had to dive from about 60, 70 feet. There was a Pahadi island kind of thing in Bangkok, in Pattaya. So he said, "Can you jump?" I said, "Yeah, I'll go and jump." And I jumped. Everybody was scared. I was the only actor who jumped in the middle
And
of the sea.
wow, that's really courageous. I didn't know something like this. When I even asked the question, you would have done. And
And
all your fans are super happy hearing this courageous act because suddenly we had like hearts going. So they're like, okay. Okay. How do you describe yourself as an actor in 3 words?
I'm still on learning curve.
Okay. How do you describe yourself in 3 words?
Myself as
In 3 words.
uh, I'm just a normal guy. That's it.
What's your perfect off day like? When you get your offs between your shoots, what's a off day like that you really enjoy?
See, off day, I like, पहले तो आपको ये सब कुछ ठीक विक कराने जाना होता है. आधे रास्ते में आप होते हो, आधी चीजें वही होती हैं कि अपने अपने काम खत्म कर लो यार, बैंक से काम. Now you have the apps, you can do it, but still there are some things you have to go visit your bank and do it. तो वही सब हो जाता है यार.
If you were not an actor, what would you be?
A fighter pilot.
Wow. Like completely opposite.
I always wanted to, but not.
Your dream
I
role, something you want. What you what? You what?
no. I said I always wanted to, but could not because my father wanted me to become an actor.
Oh,
So I was
okay.
very young when I came to Bombay. I was always fascinated with the Air Force uniform, and if you wear Ray-Ban, I still wear the Ray-Ban. Top Gun, हमारी
So that
teen
would be
teens.
your dream role.
I would love to be a fighter pilot, man, in any show or any movie. Seriously, I want to wear that uniform once in my life.
And you won't believe I was about to ask you next, like, what's your dream role? और उसके पहले ही मुझे जवाब मिल गया. मैं कुछ और भगवान से मांग लेती यार ये टाइम पे. Any classic movie that you would have loved to be a part of?
A movie
Mine it, हाँ, क्योंकि
I
मैं
would love to be
वाईफाई पे
part
हूँ.
of.
He's on the road. तो मैं पहले ही बता रही हूँ, तो मुझे तो ब्लेम करना ही मत.
A movie which I would love to be part of it.
Do we have you back?
We are back. I'm
Yeah, a
there.
classic movie. A
Classic
classic
movie.
movie.
Sholay.
Which role?
Jay. Or Veeru, anyone.
एक
But I
डायलॉग हो
think
जाए शोले से.
I think I'll do Jay definitely.
एक जय का डायलॉग शोले से for the viewers.
घड़ी घड़ी ड्रामा करता है साला.
Wow, super. Okay, how do you make a decision in life?
How to make decisions in life?
Yeah, like how do you choose your role? Like when you get a role, how quickly do you decide कि मुझे ये करना है कि नहीं करना है?
See, you come to know the moment you have the script and you know that you can definitely do justice to this role. And it's been very easy for me when the classic case I tell you when Ekta told me first show I did for Balaji, I reached Ekta's office and I was sitting across the table. She told me, "Have you watched Trishul?" I said, "Yes." He said, She said, "You are Amitabh Bachchan of that movie." And moment you have Amitabh Bachchan's role in Trishul, I said, "Okay, done." Then you just come out. See, she has a she has amazing. वो जो बोलती है ना, you have to catch that. वो क्या बोल रही है? उसमें सब कुछ एक दो लाइन में सब कुछ हो जाता है उसका. And she's brilliant to pick actors for which role. And she picked me when I was doing my. I haven't done much work, and I was doing my dance performance in uh, Star Parivar Award. The next day, I got a call.
Wow, that's amazing. Like from a dance, you think that you would do something so well, like a Trishul's negative character is hats off.
And amazing, man. The kind of popularity I had that role was like uh, moms and all mother used to come and say, "तेरे जैसा बेटा चाहिए जो माँ के लिए लड़ रहा है."
What's been the most like if you had to go back in time in your career and change one role that you've done, which one would it be that you would want to be like, I shouldn't have done this?
Actually, none of my roles were bad at all. None of them. I've
Okay,
enjoyed from
post.
my first show till now. All the roles were good.
That's what we wanted to hear, but we were like, चलो फिर भी पूछ लेते हैं.
नहीं ऐसा कोई नहीं है because कोई है ही नहीं actually. Uh, I started with my Oops and क्यों होता है प्यार used to come. You must have been very young by then. Used to come at 8 o'clock Wednesday, and he that character was amazing. मतलब वो कैरेक्टर जब तक आता people used to call me कि जैसे आप स्क्रीन पे आते हो ना मुझे ऐसा लगता है अब कुछ होगा, अब कुछ करेंगे ये, अब कुछ कांड होगा.
Is क्यों होता है प्यार on any of the digital platforms playing that people can watch it? Okay, but you have to promise us अगर वो digital platform में आएगा तो आप सबको बताओगे, including me and the viewers.
For sure. That show was amazing. I'm telling you, you will not get bored at all. It was like our friends, Indian friends.
Okay. फिर तो डन है. Whenever it comes, please do keep us all posted. We would love to watch. I would definitely want to
Definitely.
watch.
It was
Post
amazing show.
quarantine,
Amazing. Post quarantine.
what is the first thing you want to do?
Post quarantine. Actually, we wanted to see both our mothers. So ये मैं करने जा रहा हूँ और वो आगे
हाँ.
future में planned है. I will get my
So,
mom back to Punjab as early as possible.
so both are planned.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to ask you something like a rapid fire, but not a rapid fire. So it's this or that. Popcorn or
Okay.
chocolate?
Popcorn.
Comedy or thriller?
Thriller.
At home or movie hall?
Sorry, I missed your last rapid fire.
At home or movie hall?
Movie all.
Romance or action?
Romance.
Disney or Marvel?
Sorry?
Disney or Marvel?
Uh, any day.
Rewatch old classics or new releases?
Both actually.
Okay. Musical movies or science fiction?
Science fiction.
Favorite science fiction?
Star Wars.
Watch in company or on your own?
On my own.
Animation or horror?
Horror.
Movie marathon or just one?
Marathon.
Which was the last marathon you did? And you were like, okay, ये back to back देखूंगा.
Once I did on my own only. I don't remember the movies, but I came out from this hall, went to the other one, then went to the other one.
Okay, so your fans are asking which are your favorite action movies?
Die Hard series. Bruce Willis.
Can you tell the title again?
Sorry?
Can you say the title again?
Die Hard series. Bruce Willis.
That. Okay, Die Hard series people. Okay, Uncanny Bal is asking beautiful girl or girl with a sense of humor?
Girl with sense of humor.
Okay, we have
Yeah, I'm
got you
back.
back. Yeah, welcome back. So, beautiful girl or girl with sense of humor?
Girl with sense of humor.
Okay, Dara Singh Khurana is saying hi to you. And
Hi.
Deepak is asking, do you like sandwich in Bombay? Since that's a staple thing for Bombay. तो बॉम्बे की कोई जगह का सैंडविच आपको पसंद है? ही इज आस्किंग.
मीठी बाई का.
हाँ, वहाँ का आई थिंक जय सैंडविच ऑल्सो एट नेशनल कॉलेज इज रियली यम्मी. यू शुड ट्राई इट नेक्स्ट टाइम यू आर इन बांद्रा.
I've eaten everywhere. नेशनल कॉलेज, लेकिन क्या है, फिर जब ट्रैफिक बहुत बढ़ने लग गया तो मीठी बाई तक रह गए हम लोग. फिर लोखंडवाला तक रह गए. Earlier we used to party in town. Now we party in Andheri.
ये तो सच है. Earlier going to Bandra was not a pain. Now I'm like if I have to meet my friends in Bandra, I'm like Andheri.
मैं बैंड्रा नहीं जाएगा. शॉपिंग करने नहीं जाता मैं.
So yeah. So anything you want to tell our viewers before we end for today and come back again live sometime soon?
You know, I think guys, take precaution. अब इसके साथ आपको जीना पड़ेगा. You have to understand it's the virus. Precaution लीजिए और सेफ्टी में रहिए. और जो सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का काम है वो सब कीजिए, तो आप बचे रहोगे, क्योंकि ये कोई छोटी मोटी चीज नहीं है. It can happen because आप see people who have good immunity, they can be safe, but you can pass it on to your elders. So just be careful when you go out.
Thank you for joining us live today, and hopefully we should have you live again post quarantine
Thank you so
because you'll be
much.
doing a lot more shootings and a lot more series. So catch
Thank
you
you.
again live. Have a safe trip. Please give our regards to Auntie, even in
Thank you
Punjab,
so
even
much.
in Nasik. And see
You
you
want something
soon.
from Nasik? You want something from Nasik?
I wouldn't put you in trouble to go shopping in Nasik. Next trip, pakka.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Bye
See
bye.
you.
Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon. Bye bye.